Hello, friends. In
Oscar,
YouTube land.
No.
I'm reporting from the ship. And I'm going to tell you about my friend Campbell here. That's her hiding her face in shame. Because what had happened was... Here, Brandon, record.
Bam. What happened?
What happened was...
Get the camera closer. Get the camera closer. Alright. Don't cover the microphone. So what happened was... We went to church today, to Living Way Church here in Lake Charles, Louisiana.
Yeah.
It's a Pentecostal church in the South. And she grew up in a Pentecostal church where they wear skirts all the time. So, every other girl was wearing a skirt and she was wearing tight blue jeans. Or, what are they? Khaki jeans.
So?
And she didn't like it. She was convicted and they said that she was going to Hades. But it's okay because I said Jesus loves her and it'll be alright. I'll talk to y'all later.
They really told her that?
No, they didn't tell her that. She just felt like that.
Oh.
Alright, you can stop it now.